Kakolem is one of the rarest beaches one can get to see. To reach this beach, one has to trek down the hill through the narrow zigzagging steps. The views of this beach while descending will keep you mesmerizing. Down at the beach, you find two freshwater streams flowing into the sea. You'll have a chance of taking freshwater shower if you're visiting this beach when the rain gods are still around. Unlike most Goan beaches, there's only one shack serving some fast food and beers. And also, they make sure the littering tourists are not missed by dumping a lot of trash on the beach. Hold yourself back before stepping into the choppy waters to avoid a possible date with a stingray. During my visit to this beach, there's a huge storm in the sea which is clearly visible from the shore. The resulting sunset was one of the most dramatic sunsets I have ever seen. Canaguinim is the less crowded cousin of Cabaderama Cliff Beach. Situated just few miles north to the fort, it offers stunning views of the glorious Arabian Sea. Stepping down the cliff takes us to a secluded beach called Zari. Water here is so transparent that we could literally see rocks beneath the waves. The whole idea of Goa started when two crazy people came up with 15 different ideas, ended up in South Goa for 30 days.